Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to join the Mavely affiliate program. So if you want to join the Mavely affiliate program to make money, here's a quick guide or a simple step you can follow. The first thing you have to do is visit the Mavely website. So for you to be able to visit the Mavely website, go to the Mavely website and look for the affiliate program section. Then click on the join now or sign up button to create your affiliate account. Once you do that, follow the instructions to verify your account, which may include providing your email address and confirming it, or your phone number. It depends on the information you have at hand. And after that, access your affiliate tools. So for you to be able to access your affiliate tools, open your account is verified. Then you will have access to the affiliate tools and resources. Once you do that, create a smart link. Use the Mavely platform to create a shoppable smart link that you can share on your social media and on your social media channel. After that, share the smart link with your audience and encourage them to make purchase through your link, and that is how you can earn money with Mavely affiliate program. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.